Here I have Honor 10 and let me show you top tricks for the following device. So at the very beginning, let's unlock the screen. Let me start with really powerful features. So let's open the phone manager right here on the home screen. This is the icon of phone manager. Let's tap it, and here you can accomplish a couple of useful things. For example, you can clean up your device, so you can look for junk files and tap clean to remove all trash. Here we've got all files that will be removed. Let's go back. You can also optimize your device by clicking the one button. Let's tap down. Here we've got the results, and for example, you can also perform the virus scan. The device is looking for some viruses, everything is secure. Let's tap finish. So you can do also other things and everything just by using the phone manager. Alright, let's go for the second trick. So let me show you a couple of useful things on your camera. Let's open the camera key. This is the camera app. Here of course you can change the modes to portrait, to photo, to video and others, but what's really important, you can use the AI right here. This is the AI photography, so you can maximize the performance of your camera just by using this feature. You can also choose the settings, and here you can enable the GPS tag to save the GPS position in the info of the photos, and you can also add the watermarks of your Honor if you would like to. So for example, right now, if you take a picture, you can see right here the Honor watermark right here, and in the info right here you will be able to find the location. Alright, so let me quit the camera. Let's go for the third trick. So let me show you the tools. So this is a really simple one, but really interesting. If you find the tools folder, you can use a lot of interesting things and interesting apps. For example, of course, the torch, which is the really obvious one, but also the smart controller. So you can add here the remote controller if you would like to. You can also go back and use the sound recorder right here. You can use the mirror, so it's really useful if you would like to look at yourself. Let's just open the mirror, and you may also here use the compass, translator, backup and other stuff. Let me show you the compass, for example. Let me tap enable again, and here you've got the compass, for example, on your camera right here. Alright, let's go back. So that's it, and let's go for the other trick. Let me show you some motion control tips. So let's open the settings here, choose smart assistant, and here let's choose motion control. Here for example, you can flip your device to mute. Here you've got this feature. All you have to do, for example, is enable mute incoming calls. If you flip the device, you may also pick up the device to reduce the ring volume. You can raise to ear, and you can use the 3-finger screenshot. Let me show you. If you enable this feature by using the 3 fingers, you can save your screen. What's also really interesting, you can knock twice to save the screenshot as well. This is the default feature on the Honor. That's it. Now let me go back and let's go for the last trick, the simple mode. So let's also use settings. From the list of settings, scroll down and choose system. Here let's select simple mode. Here we've got the minimalistic mode. You can enjoy using the clean home screen and the large icons. All you have to do is tap apply, and this is the simple mode. As you can see, you've got larger icons, everything is quite simple. And if you would like to quit this mode, you can, for example, tap the standard mode right here, tap OK, and the standard home screen pops up. So that's it, everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.